There's a new development in the Matthew Perry overdose case. Prosecutors say a drug dealer known as the Ketamine Queen has agreed to plead guilty to selling the fatal dose that killed the actor. ABC's Trevor Ault has more.
Nearly 2 years after the death of Friends star Matthew Perry, the woman charged with supplying the dose of ketamine that ultimately killed him will now be pleading guilty. Prosecutors say Jasveen Sangha, known as the Ketamine Queen, has accepted a plea agreement on 5 federal charges for her role in the actor's fatal overdose. According to court documents, Sangha initially learned Perry was interested in ketamine and offered him a sample. Within weeks, she'd provided up to 50 vials in exchange for cash. And when Perry was found dead at home, court documents also allege Sangha tried to destroy evidence of her involvement, texting their mutual friend, "Delete all our messages." Sangha is one of 5 people charged in the actor's death, all of them pleading guilty.
These defendants took advantage of Mr. Perry's addiction issues to enrich themselves.
In a statement, Sangha's lawyer says she is taking responsibility for her actions.
4 people prior to her have already pled guilty and have not been sentenced. And a part of those pleas, they agreed to cooperate in the prosecution against her. She would have had 4 co-defendants testifying against her. That would have made for a very difficult trial.
Perry had spoken at length about his longtime battle with addiction, opening up to our Diane Sawyer the year before he died.
You say, addiction, the big terrible thing, is far too powerful for anyone to defeat alone. But together, one day at a time, we can beat it down.
Your disease is just outside, just doing one-arm push-ups, just waiting for you, waiting to get you alone.
And it appears Matthew Perry's death is not the first that the so-called Ketamine Queen was a part of. As part of the plea agreement, Sangha also admitted to selling ketamine to a man hours before he died of an overdose back in 2019. She faces up to 65 years in prison. Trevor Ault, ABC News, Los Angeles.